In this video, I'll provide a brief introduction into how an internal combustion engine works. This is the type of engine that would be in an automobile. In general, this type of engine is a four-stroke engine. What this means is that there are four different processes that happen each time the cylinder is used. Initially, the cylinder is at a small volume and a valve opens. The cylinder moves, pulling air in, and then the valve closes, trapping the air. At this point, fuel is injected and the cylinder begins the compression stroke, in which the cylinder moves from here down to a small volume, compressing the air-fuel mixture. At this point, a small spark is ignited, causing the fuel in the air to burn. This greatly increases the temperature and pressure. Next, the cylinder moves through the power stroke, in which the cylinder moves to expand the volume, and work is done by the hot and high pressure gas that's contained inside. After the power stroke, the exhaust valve opens and the cylinder moves downward, forcing the combusted products out into your exhaust. At this point, the cylinder returns and begins its intake stroke again. So to summarize, the cylinder begins with an open valve, passes through the intake stroke where it pulls air in, the valve closes and fuel is injected, then the compression stroke occurs in which the volume is greatly reduced and the pressure and temperature rise. A small spark ignites the fuel-air mixture, causing the pressure and the temperature to become very large. Then, during the power stroke, the cylinder expands and work is done by the gas to move the piston. Finally, after the work has been extracted, the exhaust valve opens and the cylinder moves downward to expel the combustion products. This returns the cylinder to its initial state, where the process starts again. The following examples are going to use the power stroke and the compression stroke to illustrate the idea of a polytropic process in which P, V to the N is equal to a constant.